Hello, everybody, and welcome back to ASMR Sano. Today we'll be starting with clicks. Okay, I'm sorry.
Hello, everybody. Opened up with the ASMR, immediately lost 2 viewers. Annoyed, but hello, why are you annoyed?
They were gone. It said 6, and then as soon as I did, it dropped down to 4. Hang on, guys, my cable fell. Shorts working, but got stopped because PA is sloppy. Yup.
Friday, after big tariff announcements and all this crap, I'm not surprised. She's laughing because I was doing ASMR to start the stream. Tapped into this gap here. Just got this 1 minute. I don't know. Trump can kick rocks for show. Agreed. Fridays are notoriously known for kicking my arse. So you won't catch me trading PAs on Friday, I can't lie. As much as I want to. The history shows that I shouldn't. Dude, right? They think they're all superior. I know what he's doing. Bro's hinting that it's time for the Discord to be open, huh? I think that's what it is. Bros wants to drop the Discord link. And I will as soon as I figure out what I'm doing. Edit channel. Terms. Oh. Wait, I already did all this? Hey, chat. I might be further ahead on this than I thought. Read message history. Okay. I know, bro. I'm talking about the other Discord, though. Gotta get moving my stop loss to break even. The volume totally sucks. 465 done for the day, and let's say give me another opportunity to sell. Word, had to make sure someone about to send me another Discord link. No. No. I was just trying to use what you were saying to segue into some self promo, that's all. That's it. I know who it is. Yeah. No, see, Accountable Trading is the super secret special server. The new one that's coming out is going to be the public one. Our server stays special. Yeah, I know. So basically, technically, I could open it up now. Because I have all the stuff. I think I have all the main things that I want right now. Just like a few trading channels, a few psychology channels with the psychology above the trading, of course, right? just a general, and then a channel that only I can post in. And then I'm going to have a reaction roll channel, but I just haven't done it yet. But it's not like I can't let people in and then just announce when the reaction rolls are ready. Bet, bro. But yeah. Low-key, I haven't journaled today and it feels weird. No, there's no fee. Nah. 69. No, it'd be six. Yeah. $69 and 420 cents. That would be it. Oh wait, you guys, I forgot. As soon as you join the server, I really wanted to lead you straight to the WAP link. Ace. Alright, listen. Let me go to... Wait. Get started. Add your roles. Send your first journal. Link with others. Okay. Do you guys think this is a good starting 3? So as soon as you join, right, it'll make you go to add your roles first. Then it leads you straight to the daily journal. So like when you get in here, it's not going to lead you to like executions and P&L and crap. It's going to lead you straight to the daily journal, which I guess could be, I'll put that here and then I'll make a new daily journal in trading actually. And then it'll go to link with others to the hashtag battles channel to see where people are struggling. And then, obviously everyone knows what general is. So. Because one's a trading journal and one's a psychology journal. There's 2 sections. I have psychology up here and trading here. I don't know, actually. Do they? What if somebody wants to just talk about something other than... Well, I guess that's what battles and triumphs are for. Gosh dang it. Here comes the logic. So cool, bro. No, you're right. It was stupid. Alright, let's get back to the chart, huh? Yes, sir, green. I'm not sure why this... Unlock with boosting. Bro, I have nitro. Let me do my thing. That is... Ugh. Toxic. Alright, low key. This is something we could tape read. If we get it. Break even here because this 30-second gap has been holding like crazy. Right? But this is good LRLR. We got equal highs above. So this... Oh my... Well, chat. Something like this. Yeah, no, this PA is toxic as heck. I'm like not. I've been avoiding it. The only play I would have taken was this morning, and I was freaking taking my girls to school. Or, well, I was trying to get my girls up. But this was really good. Mm-hmm. 15-point stop for me, so would not have gotten stopped out. Well, that's cool. Fed speaker at 12:20. So that's basically what my play would have been if I would have been able to take it. Which, honestly, dang. Hindsight, this works so good, bro, but there's no way that you can, like, confidently take this, right? Sheesh. Hindsight, this was really good. But we don't know that we're just going to rip through these gaps like this, you know? That's why it's better to wait. Although this does look really good. So what would have made this better is if we would have had a sweep right here, but we didn't. We didn't on ES or NQ, I don't think. So there was not even an SMT. Yeah. So if we would have had an SMT or we would have swept this low and then got this V shape, that would have been better. But to me, that's why it's better to wait for this whole gap to inverse here. I don't know if we're gonna get this long setup, chat. I think Trump is pissing the market off, dude. I think the market is like really just wanting Trump to stop doing what he's doing. I can't lie. I don't think the market's happy with the things Trump is doing. What do you guys think about that? I think Trump's out here got the investors going, bro. What are you doing this stuff for? Like, bro, please stop. All right, let's say we get like a nice big yoink candle through here with this order block right here. I like that a lot. I will lose the account because I can. Yeah, you can just do it with a micro though, you know. And you can just like go in and out really. Pause. Sorry, guys. That's interesting. Let me just remove the temptation, baby. And This thing is cool. I think my funded futures, if I'm correct. My funded futures has a 1 week inactivity rule. It's stupid, but all I ever did when I had that issue was just get in with a micro for at least 10 seconds and then get out. I've never had an issue. I bet this comes back up. Chat. I don't know, honestly. I forgot. So we close below this and the VI, so it's possible that with this inverse we come down to these lows here. I could see that. Basically just a little 30-second trend line here. Why is it? Oh. So this should honestly get ran. If this comes back up, this is not good PA. Oops. Yo, yo. That was might be a decent little scalp if anyone took that. Not terrible. I feel like this is going to continue lower for some reason. I don't know. I don't think we're going to get this 3-minute chat. But that 30-second wasn't bad. Oops. Jeez. I wonder if oh no. I genuinely don't know what the market actually wants to do right now as far as like an external goal. I don't know if we want sell side or buy side right now, to be honest. So if that's how I'm feeling inside, I'm like not gonna touch anything. Yeah, I want 141 too. I forgot about that. Yeah, this is what we're aiming for. I forgot about that. We talked about that. Yeah, it's also during lunchtime now, so we're moving pretty good right now, but it's possible this gets choppy. We'll see. Yeah, I would love to go to 141, honestly. That would be Dream Scenario. Mainly because we talked about that a while ago. And being right feels good, doesn't it, chat? So we tap into this BPR again, and we're getting a bullish reaction, so see what I mean? I'm not really sure what the... Just because I have a target that I want doesn't mean that's where NQ wants to go, but normally I feel like we're on the same page, if you feel what I'm saying. Okay, I'm sorry. Just ignore when I do things like that, just ignore it, please. Okay? Now, if we like start just ripping through this gap and start disrespecting this gap, I think I might. That would secure like a more bearish bias for me, honestly. Literally just this. We rip through this. The draw is definitely lower. As long as this is holding, I can go either way though. Pause. We keep wicking down into this gap though. Don't know. Man, both the indices look really good right now though, can't lie. Everything's nice and correlated. Jeez. Not really anything to like actually look at taking here though, to be honest, except for this 3 minute. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate that a lot. Have a blessed day. Really do appreciate that. This V shape is crazy. And back down. By a tick or what? Barely got the 2 minute there. Still have this little tiny 2 minute above. Jeez. Ripping, Naz is ripping back and forth. Not sure which way to go. Bow, 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 bow. Fridays chat. I honestly hate trading Fridays, dude. For some reason. 2 minute just inverse this last gap, so I wouldn't be surprised if we go to this high. But wait, let me see. Yeah. I'm getting sent attachments checked. I'm getting sent attachments. A lot of manipulative price action going on here, I can't lie. Oh god. I started backtesting, yeah, because of this PA, yeah. It's very indecisive. Now I'm making DJ noises because I don't know what to talk about. Help me out, chat. Hey, appreciate it. What you cooking? Whatever it is, as long as it's cooked as well as this market is right now, you should be good to go. Jeez, this is torched. Tap into an FVG. Respect it. This is just... This PA is lower than mid. I mean, well, it's good, but it's just choppy right now. Like, the volatility is good, but it's just choppy right now. Like, what the heck? Don't know, chat. A meaty sauce with lots of vegetable and some pasta. Bomb. Bomb.com. Some pasta. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, drop. Drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop. Drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop. Hey, hey. Drop, drop. Alright. Per usual, sorry for doing stuff like that, but I can't guarantee it won't happen again. Fettuccine. Yum. Don't talk about food. Could this be where we dump? Or are we gonna like do some freaking bounce out of this gap, come back up crap again? Because I wouldn't be surprised, chat. Here we are. Trend line trading some more. Who's long on the trend line? Guys, imagine we just get some crazy dump right now. Who would be on board with some crazy dump right now? Hello. Jet ski rental. Wait, what? Tomorrow? Actually? Being for real, for real? Where? Wait. For. Is it for just you and me, or what's the. Is it for the. Is it like a. I'm so confused. She just in there making plans, and I'm out here just being lost, and I don't know what's happening. Family trip? Oh, get the floaties out. I don't know if we have any floaties. Probably need to get some, I guess, huh? We might need to get some floaties, and get some floaties, and get some floaties. Trying not to be enticed to trade, so making plans, and I can't make food, so. I mean, you can make food if you're hungry, but I'm not gonna eat until way later. She out here making jet ski rentals. I like it. I like it a lot. What is VIX at right now? 19. Guess that's not too crazy. Hey, W. Robbie. What was your full take profit on there? Was it over $100? Because if so, then you secured one of your $100 days, so that's cool. Good job. Check Foreman BPR. Yeah, I would love to just knife through this, honestly, and just continue lower. Like at least to take out 225. Imagine we get some friggin' trend line bounce. No way this doesn't dump, right? No, 50 USD, dang. Is the server ready? It's like basically ready, but I just have to add all the reaction rolls, basically. And make sure like all the perms are correct. Damn, sorry you were sick, bro. That sucks. Being sick is not fun. Just inverse the 4-minute there finally without taking out this slow first, so that's a good sign. If you're short bias anyway. Still no SMT or anything, so I don't know. Would be fairly surprised if we don't come after these lows right now. But shout out to trend lines, right? I'm on an eval until 141 for funsies. Damn! What a savage. Amy's a beast. What did you take, the 4-minute? Or are you in like from a while up? The 4-min? Yeah. Influenza, yeah. How many funded trades you get this week, bro? I slacked this week. I don't even want to talk about it. I'm break even on the week. Can't lie. Sheesh. Damn. Well, there goes those lows. For sure, for sure. Which ES did not take them. So we have a bullish SMT right now. But I'm not sure that's going to hold. Imagine we dumped to 121 today. Oops. Do you think we go to 121 today, babe? Oh my. Yeah, maybe we do. Maybe we do go to 121 today. Holy smokes. Damn, chat. Oh wait, is it 141? Is it 141 that we want? What a dump. Jeez. Damn, this is crazy. It's possible that I'm in on eval from 308. Orodo. Wait, we just left Equalos right next to that? That's crazy.
Bang, 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 bang,
Bang, bang, bang, bang, bang, bang, bang. Boom. There we go, chat. We got the eval out of drawdown. You guys, I'm not going to lie to you. Amy said 141 was the draw for this week like 2 days ago. Dang, I need $300 more, bro, to pass this. That's tragic. Imagine hitting a 160 point play and needing $300 still. Damn, Amy. What a savage.
From that play.
Here, look.
Wait. Jerking.
Ow.
Sorry.
Look.
Yeah!
GG.
Excuse me, sorry.
Friday's like the gamble eval feel good day, I swear on everything. What a dump, dude. That's crazy. Dude, you guys have no idea how bad I want to try and make this last $300, but I'm just gonna let it go, dude. I'm just gonna stop. Oh my god, dude. I'd chase this for 15 points, I swear on everything. Nah, this is a good time to show discipline and not trade anymore, I don't think. Here's these. If you got, I took a small L trying to long right here, and then we just got it. That's how we get it done. It's so funny. You know, this might be the new meta. Like, what a fun way to end the week, right? Just like having a good time on an eval and not worrying about trying to trade a funded and stuff. This could be the new meta, just to finish the week strong always. Like, even if you have a rough week, at least you could have some fun on the last day, you know? Man, wait, you guys imagine if Friday eval day? I mean, then you can just remember that, like, you know, just to have fun too, and not, if you had a rough week, you know, or you felt like you didn't do very much, just, you can at least enjoy yourself a little bit and, you know, whatever. Shoot, get one of these Apex evals while they're 90% off, and then just have that for your Friday fun eval, you know? But you guys do know that after we just dumped and swept that and tapped into this 1 hour, that we're probably just gonna do this for for a while, right? I wouldn't expect very much to happen after this, unless for some reason there's something I'm missing as far as news goes, and we're just gonna, like, maybe we knife through this 4 hour too. Maybe we knife through this. You guys, wow. Amy, I forgot that I pointed this out to you. Was it yesterday? I was like, look at the 4 hour. Yikes. Let me ask you guys this. If you were looking at this and it wasn't the 1 hour, or it wasn't the 4 hour, like, let's say this was a 1 minute, right? Tell me you wouldn't be trying to hold to here. Or, like, tell me you wouldn't think that this would be your draw. Like, imagine this is just a 1 minute chart. Tell me that it wouldn't be going to here next. Right? But what would you need to have happen? You would want to for sure make sure that we inverse this last gap, right? But this looks... A... M... D. I bet we're coming for this at some point soon. Oh my god. My love, Seth messaged me and said, "Good morning, sunshine." Dude. Why? So trying. No, I've never tried that, to be honest. But I've thought about it. I've thought about doing it like with a micro or something, you know? Like if we get this 4-hour V shape like this, right? Like imagine you put in a micro right here. That's, 400 points. That's extremely low risk for very high reward. But, you'd have to be able to swing trade. You'd have to be on an account where you can swing trade too. Yeah. So on Elite Trader Funding, they have an account called a Diamond Hands account, and on those you can hold overnight and over the weekend. No, it's high reward and no risk because you could just decide what you want your stop loss to be, really. Like, you could have a 50-point stop loss, right? And only be risking $100. So it's like you're up 7R on this. You could have a 100-point stop loss and only be risking $200, right? But yet you're up 800 now. So, could you use the entire 4-hour as your stop loss? Yeah, but when we V-shape like this, do you really think that we're going to I don't know. I don't. That's why I like these like this mechanically is so good. It's unbelievable. But it's just like on the 4-hour time frame, I would never take that. But you have delivery from the freaking daily, right? Delivery from the daily chart. You have your AMD here, this V shape, perfect break even below here, targets below. Mechanically on a 4-hour, this is a plus 1,000. Plus, we still have this SMT with ES because see this line that I have marked out here? This is a higher time frame SMT with ES until ES breaks this line. So until ES breaks this, we have a bearish SMT on the higher time frame still. I've had that marked out for a couple weeks actually. This is probably going to get pretty choppy now. That was a crazy dump. I can't believe that. That was nuts. Imagine we just V-shaped this. What would you guys think about that? Imagine this 15-minute closes right here, okay? How big of a trade is too big of a trade in terms of points? What do you mean? For a stop loss? Or for a take profit? That's going to be all based on the person. But anyway, imagine if this closes and then the next 15-minute candle, that's a lot of points. For a beginner trader, if you're able to get 30 to 50 points, I feel like that's a lot. I guess I don't know what you mean. Are you talking about like for a trade or talking about like terms of point too big in terms of points for what? Not trade, just market move. Oh. The only time there's too big of a move is when we get over the freaking 5% buffer and nobody can trade. That's the only time it's too big. When we get prop firm blocked by the volatility moves, that's when it's too big. If the move is so big that we're not allowed to trade on our prop firm accounts, then it's too big. That's probably a safe bet. PM low key with the volatility, PM could catch a banger. I'm not gonna lie. Oh wait, look at this. Do you guys remember the stream yesterday? The stream yesterday when we pointed this out? I think it was yesterday. Well, there goes all that. I'm pretty sure it was yesterday. I was like, you guys, look at this. Yeah. Well, there goes that. So, I don't know. I felt like the next things I was about to say was about to be all like chest poofy, and I don't want to act like that. But sheesh, it's pretty obvious, ain't it? Okay, I'm sorry. I'll be right back. Damn, that was crazy. Literally got in right here. $141. Okay. Be right back. Okay, chat. Idea time. If anybody in here, well, does anybody in here ever watch like any of the psychology rant videos or the walk and talks? If you do, what would you guys think about? What would you guys think about if I did a live one of those? Like a live stream walk and talk. So I could like be out in the woods or somewhere cool, just kind of walking around and just go live and we can all just like chill and talk about psychology and stuff. So there won't be any charts. It'll just be nature or something, you know? What do you guys think about that? Feel like it could be cool. See, when I get things like from my Market Watch app that says, "Is all hell about to break loose in your 401k?" Does that sound like positive market sentiment to you? I don't know. That to me sounds like some dump action. I don't feel like CEOs are very happy with things right now. I can't lie. Whether there's a trade truce or trade deals or whatever it is, the problem is Trump's too freaking back and forth. One day he's threatening 50%, the next day he's saying we're all good, the next day he sneezes and says, nah, there's a problem again. How does that bring confidence to any type of investors or businesses for long-term production or money, whatever it is? You know what I'm saying? The market is going to be just as bipolar as Trump is. That's the problem. For a week we'll be bullish, and then for a week we're going to dump, and then for a week we'll be bullish, and a week we're going to dump, and then it's just like, I don't know. Oh my god, this 1 minute long looks fire. Holy. A. How many of you guys looked at your screen? Bro, this is my natural state. This is such good volatility, dude. I like this. No, chat's just dead, so I was trying to find a way to wake chat up, but it didn't work. I must be muted until the lunch break's over or something. It's funny, dude. I honestly think it's funny. So we put in this little ITH and then we got like this LRLR. But this is really just chop. I don't know. I'm trying to analyze something, but there's nothing to look at. Amy, Robbie's flirting with me again. Oh, I'm sorry. Oksana, am I still liking Apex after that email, if you don't mind me asking? Yep. I don't care about that email, bro. I'm trying to make money. I will submit everything I need to submit every day. I don't care. It's annoying and it's kind of an inconvenience, but I'm not going to let them try and, like, startle me and spook me out of my payout. Get a grip. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna do my thing. I know, I'm sorry. I was scrolling up to look at something else that Amy said, and then I saw that comment and realized I never responded, so that's my bad. What was I? So Cultist Lake. Ooh. This looks nice. Yeah, this looks nice. And you said we had a rental? What did you rent? Jet ski rental? Oh. Oh, so you just got one like this? Oh, sick. Does it say how many people fit on it? Yeah, this is cool. Chat W for Amy. Two adults and one kid. So, oh, yeah, nice. Okay. So, all right, sorry, we'll get back to the charts, but it's just been dead. We got a bullish SMT here for the time being. I don't know if that's really going to do anything since we're kind of just chopping, but yeah. If you want to look for a long, honestly, probably something like that would be good. Yeah, we'll get floaties in case they want to like after the rental is done, if they want to like jump in the water and stuff. No, that's fine. There's nothing to chat about here, and nobody else is chatting anyway, so I don't think there's any preferences. So there's the 1 o'clock. Volatility definitely picked up a little bit right as that opened up. So bro, I really want to try and make this last $300. I can't lie. But why? Yeah, I'm just going to turn it down. Tell me to be done, baby. GTX. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Sweet. Teal color? Yeah, just like that one probably. Since we swept that sell side and tapped into this 1 hour, I would honestly expect a lot of overlapping candles for a little while. I really wouldn't be expecting too many gaps to get put in unless I don't know. I can't see us dumping like that. So think about it like this. If we are really going to be bullish, right? Why if we're going to be bullish, right? And we come down and sweep this sell side, all this sell side, right? We're not just going to tap this and rebounce and like take off. Like there's going to be some sort of accumulation down here for sure. There's no way we sweep that sell side, tap into this gap, and don't accumulate some before making the next move. Whether that be a bearish move or a bullish move, I don't know for sure. We have to let the market tell us that. But as far as my expectations for the rest of the day goes, I wouldn't be surprised if we do a lot of chopping in here for now. Okay, buddy. $20% back with Epic Games? Does that mean if I buy a new Rocket League card decal, I get a discount? Bro, what? Bro, I post the stream link on my Facebook, and my grandma liked it, and I low key, that makes me think like, bro, please tell me she's not in here seeing me act the way I act sometimes, bro. That's what it makes me think, dude. Like, my grandma liked the link. I'm like, please tell me she didn't open it though. Just like it on Facebook, grandma. I don't know if you need to be coming into these streams, dude. I love you, Grams. If you are here. I wonder if I don't even know if she would understand like that there's a chat during these or anything. She's probably wondering like who I'm talking to, bro. I don't know why, but that's funny. Dude, she's so good at pool, I don't understand. I mean, she didn't beat me, but she's good. When we're down there, apparently my aunt's having a graduation party for my cousin, but it's on Sunday at 3 o'clock, and I told her there's no way we're staying that late on Sunday. I told my mom that. Alright, so we're actually getting some, but I almost bet this next candle just kind of... Nah, no Mafia 2 for me. Not when we're flying out the next day. Nope. Bro. Day Puff. Alright, now, what did we say earlier? What were we looking at? This 15 minute? Now imagine we V-shape this 15 minute. That's hilarious, A-Puff. A funded play? Bro, that's the biggest stop loss of all time. It's a 115 point stop loss. No shot. Later, A-Puff. Maybe. I might. I'm not sure, honestly. If it was, it would be Sunday. Amy and I try and do nothing like trading related on the weekends as much as we can until Sunday. Like on Saturday, if I start talking about anything traded related, she'd be like, give me the. She'd be giving me the eye twitch. Don't you bring that up. Don't you talk about that right now. Wait till Sunday, bro. Yeah, exactly. Don't you dare do it. Yo, are we gonna rip this? Yo. No, there's no way. No, she's right. No, I honestly like that she does that because I don't want to think about it all the time either. And I think about it way too much already. So I like that. Dude, imagine we V-shape any of this though. Like, what the heck? So it's like... Why is this not bad, actually? But no, it is bad. Why am I telling myself that? It's bad. Listen, we have this little bullish SMT right here, but I don't believe it. We got to put in some highs right here, and then we got to come down, sweep this, break this SMT, and then we get an inverse. That's how it's going to work. We're not going to V-shape this right now. That's what I'm telling myself. Remember when I started to stream the other day and I started streaming with the Eye of the Tiger song, bro? They literally gave me a copyright strike for that. Or not a strike, but like it's like a copyright label on my video. Like, bro, chill out. Jeez. Like 20 seconds from a song and I was playing it from my phone, bro, through the mic. Relax. Okay? Just relax. Salt bags, bro. That's right, YouTube. I'm talking to you. Salt bags. Yeah, I know that I'm not supposed to, but that doesn't mean it's not dumb. Come on now. Well, I was ready for the Eye of the Tiger, royalties or not. Boom, 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 boom. Copyright that, YouTube. You gonna copyright that? Probably not. Even though it sounds exactly the same. Whatever. Godfather song. Oh. Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. With this, now I'm back on my feet. Yeah, that was more than 5 seconds for sure. Yeah. Bro, how is nobody else that's in here like laughing at any of this stuff, bro? Bunch of bots. Just kidding. Don't get mad at me. It's only a joke. Just a man and his will to survive. It happens too fast. You change your passion for glory. Dude, stop. Bro. No, I gotta stop. No. Stop. Yo, Robbie, chill. YouTube's gonna copyright strike my chat. Crybabies. Chat, we're gonna paper this if we get it for entertainment purposes. Yeah. Anyway. About that. Where's Charon Trades at? She needs to long this, I think. You guys imagine being like a just a regular fair value gap trader? Like imagine, right? You see this gap and you're like, "Oh, this is a good gap. If we're going to be bullish, this should hold." And you like draw the 50% and then you like just like set a limit order down here or something. Right? Imagine. And you just get like tagged on a wick and just be up like 10 points immediately. 15 points immediately. Anyone considered this before? Not me. Not for me. I think Charon was considering it at one time. You were starting out with that? How'd that go for you? Genuinely, I'm curious. I've never actually like tried it. Like I know how it works and I know how to do it, but I've never actually tried it myself. Very bad. I feel like that's what happens to a lot of newer traders. They discover ICT stuff and they try the regular fair value gap strategy and get wrecked by inverses, and then that's what makes everyone start hating on ICT stuff, is because they can't figure out fair value gaps. I took 2-minute IFG down, limp PE, 1 minute too early, 1250, taking me out, then rockets to TP. Rip. Yeah. It happens. Are you talking about this up here? Bro, stop. I'm trying to get it out of my head. You keep bringing it up. But I can just hear the guy's voice perfectly in my head, and it's just... Take it easy. Chat. We are not going to paper this if we get this. This would be the dumbest trade of all time, and I'm not even going to be seen on stream executing that type of trade. Oh wait, 1258 long. Right here? Oh, did you go break even after we hit this? No, that's so unlucky, bro. I'm sorry, bro. That's so unlucky. That would have been a really good trade. I'm assuming you were shooting for something like this. Unfort, bro. It happens. Yeah, about 2 hour. So probably something like this then. Maybe you were going for this wick right here, probably. Inside this fair value gap. Unfortunate, bro. And you know what? Sometimes on volatility days like this, you gotta adjust to stuff like that, you know? Because we will get these 15-point wicks, and if you're confident enough in the draw, sometimes you just gotta wait. Like looking at this now, just to give my 2 cents. Actually, I probably would have gone break even there too. I can't lie. So that's just unlucky, to be honest. I felt like that low key was a well managed trade. You just kind of got unlucky. But I probably would have gone break even there too. Wait, where's the short at? Okay, now I like this more because we're getting an order block. And can you show your chart colors? Yeah. One sec. Let me take this dumb play real quick. No, I'm just kidding. This is how I do my chart colors. So it's this pink right here, and then 78%, and then just black and 100%. Everything else is black, 100%. And then my background is this gray right here. It's honestly kind of clean. I like it. It's easy to see. It's apparently easy for you guys to see, but the pink isn't like super hot like it was at first. I like it. You guys know, does anybody know Tom Hugard? He keeps releasing this trading software, and I keep wanting to download it just to look at it. No, Tom Hugard. He's a trader. One of the best trading psychologists, like one of the best trading mindsets that I've seen. Okay, this low-key might be an FU long that works to this. If you go tubes, Tom Hugard, he's got a bunch of good stuff on psychology. Actually, I'll send this to you because I recommend it. Wait, why can't I talk on my own chat? Bro, that's toxic. Oh yeah? Workaround. Watch that video, Robbie. So there's no way this doesn't go to this high. There's a Trump speech right now? Okay, take back everything I just said. Literally never know if anything's going to work during that. So, forget I said anything. Crazy. Crazy. It's almost like, Alright, 1 sec, be right back. Later, MK. Definitely don't revenge trade, bro. It's a Friday. You went break even. Chalk it up. Don't worry about it. Probably not here anymore, but have a good weekend, bro. Oh, it starts at 1:30. So it starts right when lunch break ends. Cool. All right, Trade Sinker was very, very nice, but I need to cancel my free trial. It was very, very nice. I can't lie. I like it more than Replicanto, I think. Too expensive. They would give me a freaking 10% off my next renewal. Pink color again, please. Yeah, right here. And then I got the opacity on 78%. Decline offer. Monthly option. Confirm and cancel. Okay. We go to account. So here's the end of lunch break, which is usually about when I end stream, but will you do channel join thing on YouTube? I don't know what's the name. What do you mean? Channel join thing? What? I'm not sure what you're talking about, bravo. Channel join thing. You know, the sub but with payment? Oh, like a private YouTube? Or like a paid subscription YouTube? I appreciate that a lot, but I don't even really know how to do that. I don't think my channel is capable of being monetized yet is the problem. So I don't have nearly enough subscribers or views. So channel membership. You found it? Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate it. I think you have to have like 3,000 subscribers or something, which I don't know. I feel like my count has been going a lot slower lately. Dude, these mosquito bites are ugh. I feel like my subs have been going up really slow. I'm probably just being impatient. These mosquito bites got me ready to drop F-bombs in this stream, bro. How was it that we stopped lunch, or we end lunch break and candles are just dead still? Fenistil? Okay. I'll try and figure out where some of that is. Oh. Well, then maybe I won't. I've never heard of it, so. That dump was crazy, man. Bless you. Yep. I feel like I want to end stream, but I'm at the same time I feel like if Trump's about to start talking, that we might like see something crazy. So I kind of want to stay on. We shall see. We shall see. Hey, Maurice Walter Boss. You are a Walter Boss for the subscription. Sorry. No, I ruined it. Bro immediately unsubscribed. I think he's talking pretty soon, yeah. For some reason, I thought I heard that it was at 2 p.m. EST, which would be in 30 more minutes for me, but I could be wrong. I am Easy T and Dodge. Oh, what up, bro? How's it going? Oh. Easy T. We must have talked then. Easy T. Easy T. Bro. Yep. He's right here. Chat, I got the receipts. I got the receipts for Walter Boss. He is telling the truth. I'm good, man. How are you? I've just been doing this live stream and stuff lately. It's been pretty fun. What up, Skyway Trader? How are you? I'm like curious if we're gonna just keep pumping through this 15-minute or not, but I don't know. First time live? No, definitely not. I've been streaming. All these are live. I've been streaming like almost every day for a couple weeks. Yes, sir. Honestly, have called out a few bangers on these streams. I can't lie. We've caught some good plays during these streams. There's also been a couple that I missed. That would have been really good. Yeah, I usually stream like in between. I usually stream like in between when Dodgy stops and before Reliable starts, just so that I'm like kind of in my own lane, if that makes any sense. And I feel like not very many other people stream during this time, so it's cool. And if you haven't been to the channel, just know we also have a guest. Oh, wait. Do you guys remember? Hey, who was here during stream when I got in short on that Bitcoin position? Who remembers that? Who remembers when I got in on this Bitcoin? Look at this. Check it out. I told you. I told you it was gonna dump. Savage. Damn. My TP's down here. Right here at the bottom of this LRLR. Yeah, 500 Bitcoin. Imagine, dude. Well, cool. We can just close this trade now and never have to do anything again. I know, for real. Alright, let's go back to NQ. Oh, damn. That's funny. Oh, but what I was getting at is we have a special feature on this channel every now and then, right? So, they introduce you to Charon Trades. This is Charon Trades. She takes trades when I gotta walk away for a minute, and she runs a strict 1-to-2 risk to reward, so she doesn't have the greatest win rate here, but so far she's $30 profitable on a $2,500 account. So she's had see, her risk management is really tight. So she's doing great. This just goes to show you how important risk management is, and when you only take one trade a day, that you could be wrong more than right and still be profitable. So, and whenever Charon takes a trade, we drop the chair. We drop the chair on the screen. It's so... I don't know, bro. It's so funny. We thought about getting Charon Trades her own channel, you know, and then doing like a AI voice trade recap. And it's just the chair. It's just the chair in the screen. Yo, imagine. Dude, imagine just the chair and the screen and the AI voice. The reason I went long here is because I thought we were gonna go up. As long as you manage your risk, you could have no clue. But Sharon trades 1 micro at a time. That's it. That's her max leverage. She does 1 micro at a time. So she's taking it easy. Let me go back to mine because if I don't, I'll try and enter a paper trade with a mini and it's going to tell me I don't have enough funds in my paper account. Chat, we need $300 more. I feel like this might dump. But yeah. We're not gonna chase. All right, chat. Took 2 minute long. No. I honestly, I honestly just got in right here on an eval. It just held to 141. I was in long right here. And then I saw this reaction and got out, and then I got in short and just chased it to that 1 hour low. And now I need $300 more, and it's hard for me to just let it go for the day. Just to be transparent with everyone here. My mindset is not perfect as much as I want it to be, and I'm telling you what, I'm feeling like I keep telling myself, we could easily make that today, but there's no reason to. So, just because I got lucky on one chase doesn't mean you can do it again, and that's what the market will do to you, right? Sometimes you will take plays that you know you shouldn't, and they'll work, and then it'll trick your mind into thinking that you can get away with that stuff again, right? So you try it again, and then next time you get wrecked, and then you get mad because you're like, well, what the heck? It worked last time. Why was I wrong this time? That's why it's so important to just have a model that you trade. What up, Just Josh? This is my best week, but also my poorest psychological week. Hey, man, it happens, but I'll tell you what. At least you are aware of that. So that alone is a good start. Yeah, what happened? I would get stopped out on my executions, but know where the draw and liquidity is. Yeah. Let me tell you what, that's probably the hardest part in trading for me. It's like the worst. Yeah. So I would take poor chase entry. Yeah. See that's kind of what I was just talking about, right? Like sometimes you get lucky with these chase entries, right? But then other times, even though you're confident, it doesn't work and you get wrecked. And then you're like, ugh. And then it makes you mad. Um, and knowing that is important because, yeah, if it's not working, definitely don't do it. Getting away with Trump chases is not going to work all the time. I'm just kidding. But yeah, just reset over the weekend, man. And get back to trading just the model, you know? Apparently, all the ICT traders that traded 5+ years say it's the hardest conditions. It's definitely not been easy, and um, because of that, I've been taking smaller TPs, bro. 25 points and you're good. Because it's hard to read right now, honestly. Dude, I feel like we're gonna V-shape this. I don't know. Yeah, definitely smaller TPs. Yeah. Let me re-up my coffee real quick. One sec. Bang, 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 bang. These per section pretty freaking dead. Am I going to open up a Discord to teach people down the line? Check it out, bro. This is indeed the Discord. Gonna have a psychology section, trading section, voice channels, stuff that I'm gonna post in here, new videos, thoughts, elocutions, live streaming, daily journal from me. Yeah. So yep. Obviously all of these will be open channels, and as well as general, and then these will be just the ones that I posted. But and then oh yeah, I'll post it like in my description and stuff. And then I have. This is the only reason I haven't opened it up is because I have to do these reaction rolls still. It's possible if we inverse this that come down to here. Bro, I keep wanting to do dumb stuff, you guys. I don't want to. I'm like looking at stuff that I should not be looking at, bro. I'm catching myself doing it right now, and I'm gonna stop doing it. Dude, I had a pretty flat week, honestly, on fundeds. It's been a combination of being a little busy and just kind of being like in a weird spot mentally lately, and I kind of just like have been hesitant all week, and then finally yesterday I just was like, bro, take a effing trade when you see a trade, bro. And I took a trade and I went break even, and it was fine, and then I stopped for the day, and then I never trade fundeds on Friday usually anyway, so. But I traded on got my MFFU or eval out of drawdown, so I only need $300 to pass it, and that's why I'm sitting here feeling all antsy. But like I'm literally up 4K on that account today, and so that would be stupid to trade anymore. Speech just started. Trump and Musk. Eesh. Yeah. Definitely not trade. I knew it was going to start at 2. I called that. Like literally I chased this dump with 2 minis. Probably just should be happy with that and just stop. Plus, another reason I'm trying to be really, really patient on my fundeds right now is because I'm closing in on some. I'm closing in on some nice things, and so I need to be very, very careful and trade just trade smart and just trade only the model for the next couple weeks. Well, that's all I want to do for all time, but definitely the next couple weeks I need to stay focused. Yeah. I mean, I definitely for sure wouldn't trade a funded today, but I'm just like sitting here trying to like tell myself that I could make this last $300, but literally, even if I do, then what? Still have to wait. Like, it's not like it does anything to push to make that last little bit, you know? Who cares? I'll just trade it along with my fundeds next week, and I'll pass it that way. Then I'll add another one. I'm like super interested to see what starts happening with this speech, but plus low key, it's a good practice of discipline just to like be aware and know that I should stop and then actually just stop. Like that just will make my discipline better rather than give in and like whether I do pass or not, I still failed my discipline for the day on that because I told myself I'm going to stop. So now if I don't stop, then what kind of level of discipline does that show for myself? Not very good, right? So eval or not, $300 to pass or not, I'm done trading. So I feel like that's the proper mindset that I need to have for myself. Yeah, me too, bro. Trust me, you're not alone, dude. I could trade every session all day, but it's just the problem is keeping my mindset in that cycle of things makes it to where I keep mentally putting trading on this pedestal that it doesn't belong on. And it's because I have it so like my mind is so wrapped up with it. And then when it comes to sit down to trade, I've got too much pressure going in the back of my head because of how often I'm thinking about it and how how every day I'm just like trading. Oh, I love it. I'm addicted. But I can't do that. It's not a long-term thing that I want to stay like. I want to think about trading less. I don't want to make trading special. I want it just to be this job that I do every day. Show up, take the damn trade, stop for the day. I know that I do a little more because I like stream and I do like backtesting for stuff, but that's just stuff that I do because I want to do it. But trading itself, you got to find a healthy way to be addicted to it. You can't be consumed by it. Being addicted to it and loving it is one thing, but being consumed by it is another thing. And you can't let that happen. That's why honestly I try and make these psychology videos and stuff because when I post them, the message is usually like focusing on things outside of trading. And when you do that, you will actually become a better trader, to be honest. Because you won't put so much into this. It'll just be a normal thing that you do. You show up, you sit down, you wait for your setup, you see the setup, you take it, it wins, it loses, or it break evens, and then that's it. And then you're like, all right, cool, on with my day. Like, see ya. Why do I need to sit and do more? You know? What's the point? The point of trying to get good at trading is so that we can have more free time to do what we want, not so we can have more time forced to sit here on the charts to try and take a trade, right? Yeah, having a good mentor is important, honestly. He's pinging me, bro. No, sir. Oh, wait. I think I already talked to him about that. Probably going to end stream soon, honestly. But I'll be right back. Oops, didn't unmute my mic. That's cool. I feel like after this 15-minute closes, for some reason, it's going to keep ripping. But I don't know. For being in the middle of a Trump Musk speech, this is pretty dead. I can't lie. Let's see what happens after this 15-minute closes. Twenty 25 seconds. There's the close. All right, chat. It's literally been almost 3 hours. I can't take it anymore. I am going to probably hop off and start my weekend, and I hope that y'all do the same. I appreciate you guys for being here, and I will see y'all next time, okay? Here's this pump continuing after that 15-minute close, probably. But later, guys.